Hi, I'm still upgrading the head unit for my Nissan X Trail T31, and many of you probably wonder where you can get a reverse signal without taking a wire all the way from the back of the car. So let's go to the left seat after I took off the glove compartment and look at that unit, and the wiring goes down from that unit. So you see that green wire with the silver stripes on it, like this. So this one feeds the reverse light at the back of the car, and that way you can get a signal for your head unit.